number. Question is 2, 3, 5, 7, question mark. 2 is a prime number. 3 also second prime number, 5 third prime number, and 7 is the fourth prime number. Fifth prime number is 11. Fifth prime number is 11. So 2 is prime number, 3 also prime number, 5 also prime number, 7 also prime number, and question mark also one prime number. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So option is 2 च्या नंतर 3, 3 च्या नंतर 5, 5 च्या नंतर 7, 7 च्या नंतर फिफ्थ प्राइम नंबर आहे 11. फिफ्थ प्राइम नंबर is 11. 11 is a fifth prime number. Fifth prime number. 11 is fifth prime number. Fifth prime number is 11. Option number C correct. Option number C is correct answer. Option number C. 11 is a fifth prime number. In the question mark, place 11. Like, share